Attention please. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome.
Hello everyone, good evening. Please let me introduce myself. My name is Brino Pongasi. I am 20 years old. I'm from Tubod, San Fernando, Cebu. I'm grade 12 students. My strands is YOMS. I'm future HM. I'm good at running and playing basketball. But I'm not good at playing badminton and remembering to do my homework. My favorite things are spaghetti, macaroni, pizza, and salad. I'm riding roller coaster. In the future, I want to be a professional basketball. I'm just an ordinary person. Really, I'm not super attractive, but I'm not unattractive either. I'm not a genius. I have a few close friends, but I can also hang out with anyone at I like staying at home, but I also enjoy going out. I try to dress well, but sometimes I struggle with it. I'm friendly in text, but I'm shy in person. I can be funny, but sometimes I'm boring. I feel confident, but I also have moments of insecurity. I'm strong, but I also have moments of weakness. I feel happy, but I also cry for no reason. I like being around people, but I'm also like being alone.